by 81 million. And the amount of 3.3 million is transferred from DSWD on top of that for the NCSE for the assistance to older persons program.
Kay may iniinda kang sakit na gusto mo ng agarang lunas. Tigil na po muna sa kakainom ng mga tableta at baka time mo ay masira. Blower na panlunas nasa Pilipinas na.
Kung iyong mamasdan, mistulang blower lamang ng buhok pero lingid sa kaalaman ng marami, mayroon itong terahertz frequency, quantum technology at optical quartz light technology na kayang pumuksa ng anumang uri ng sakit sa iyong katawan. Ang radiant energy na ibinubuga ng iTeracare therapy device ay kayang tumagos sa iyong balat, internal organs maging sa iyong mga buto. Nasa may lalim ito na 20 hanggang 30 sentimetro upang ayusin ang mga baradong ugat at mapaganda ang daloy ng dugo sa katawan.
Ako po si Dr. Pauline Bacani Kimson, isa pong medical doctor at psychologist na mahigit na ng 30 taon. Nais ko sanang ibahagi sa inyo ang aking maikling testimonial tungkol sa iTeracare Classic at iTeracare Pro. About 2.5 years ago po kasi, nagkaroon ako ng malaking aksidente at dahil po noon naparalisado ako galing sa leeg hanggang baba. Hindi ako makasalita, hindi ako makaisip, hindi ako makakain. Wala talaga, hindi gumagalaw ang aking mga kamay, mga paa, mga legs at mga arms. Sabi ko sa Diyos, God, kukunin mo na ba ako? Kung ganon, sasama na ako sa iyo. Kung hindi naman, sana po ay tulungan niyo po akong manumbalik ang aking lakas at paggalaw, pagsalita, at iba pang kaya kong gawin para makapagserbisyo ako sa mga pasyente, sa mga medical mission, sa mga free clinic, at sa mga self-healing workshop. At that time po, nasa Amerika pa ako. So, dumaan po ako sa matinding pagte-therapy, araw-araw na physical therapy, occupational therapy, acupuncture, massage, at lahat ng pwedeng gawin, talagang ginawa ko po para manumbalik ang aking lakas. After 10 months, nakayanan ko ng umupo sa wheelchair para makauwi dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yung pong balik yung lakas sa kanan, pero yung kaliwa po talagang lumiit yung kaliwang side ko, hindi ko mataas yung mga kamay, yung paa ko, hindi ko mahakbang, naka-splint pa yan, may nakakabit sa aking kamay at paa para lang tulungan ako na wag mahulog. So, nung nandito na ako sa Pilipinas, ang nangyari, yun nga, hindi nga ako makatayo. Tapos ang sakit, sobrang sakit ng aking talampakan, sobrang sakit ng aking balikat kasi nagka-frozen shoulder, ng aking buong braso hanggang kamay at lahat ng kaliwang bahagi. Nagkataon naman na may kaibigan ako, ang pangalan ay Juancho. Sabi niya, meron akong machine na ginagamit sa mother ko na nakakatulong sa kanya. Baka makatulong sa'yo, Doc. Sabi niya. Di nagkita kami. Tapos yung sobrang sakit ko na sa talampakan na yung pinakamasakit na number 10/10 na pinakamasakit. Sa isang time pa lang na i-treat niya ako ng iTeracare, bumaba ng number 2. Sandali lang yun. Kumbaga hindi pa matagal. Tapos tinreat din niya yung tubig, pinainom niya sa akin yung tubig before ng treatment at saka during tsaka after ng treatment. Tapos, dahil nga dun sa, namangha ako dun sa pagtulong sa pag-alis ng sakit ng aking talampakan. Sabi ko, saan ba nakakakuha niyan? Gusto ko, kailangan ko. Di bumili ako. Tapos, unti-unting kinamit ko na nga sa sarili ko. Una, kinuha ko ito, yung iTeracare Classic, kasi madaling dalhin, magaan siya. Tapos, unti-unting bumalik yung daloy ng dugo sa aking mga arms and legs at unti-unting nawala yung pain hanggang maging zero pain. Tapos, sabi ni Juancho, meron din yung mas advanced. So, bumili din ako nito. Itong iTera Care Pro. Kasi ito, 15 minutes lang, tapos na yung treatment ko. Tapos may cold setting pa, masarap. Para sa panahon na ayoko yung init. May panahon kasi na gano'n. So, in other words, ngayon po, 2.5 years later, manumbalik na po yung lakas ko, no? Kayang-kaya na po. At walang pain. Yun po yung malaking bagay sa akin. Dahil pag wala pong, isa pa pala, yung dati araw-araw yung migraine headache ko rin. Yung bang umipintig, tapos masakit ang mata, yung kailangan nasa dilim ako, bawal ako sa ilaw, sa ingay, sa mga tao kasi ayan, masusuka ka sa sakit niya. Isa pa yan na natulungan na manumbalik din ang kaginhawakan sa aking katawan. Kaya sana po, ibukas nyo inyong puso, ibukas nyo inyong isip, maaaring makatulong din sa inyo o kaya sa inyong mahal sa buhay. Maraming salamat po at mahal ko po kayong lahat.
The proposed 2024 budget of the National Commission for Senior Citizens has been decreased by from 116 million. It is now lower. That's the summary of the budget developments for these 5 small agencies, Minority Leader, Mr. President, and Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Okay, so we are tackling five different agencies, Mr. President. So let's move on and tackle the budget of the National Commission of Senior Citizens.
Yes.
75% of plantilla positions are still unfilled as of the moment.
I think
may we know why?
we're doing better now. I think about 50% were half filled already at this point. All the regions now have people, except there still are unfilled 84 plantilla positions, 11 coterminous, 11 contractual. So that's a total of 180.
Well, at any rate, Mr. President, siguro the budget for, how much is the budget for the commission for next year?
Yes, the budget for next year shall be 76.599 under the NEP.
Apa. So this is the budget to maintain the existence as well as the operations of the commission. But as mentioned by our sponsor, mga 1 or 2 days ago, 1 or 2 evenings ago, I think she filed a bill which is actually a policy shift, a policy change, no, in the Senate Bill number 2463, introduced by Senator Amy Marcos, an act amending Republic Act number 11350, otherwise known as the National Commission of Senior Citizens Act, and for other purposes. So I think the bill proposes a shift or a change in policy na making the NCSC from an implementer of
yes.
programs to a policy formulation and maybe coordination and evaluation body
That's
of
correct.
all senior citizens programs and policies.
Yes,
I think that's the idea.
The suggestion came from the Minority Leader, and following many discussions in the DSWD, the intent was to convert the NCSC into a policy-making body, considering that more than 4 years after its creation, it still remains inoperable, and none of the DSWD programs for senior citizens has actually been transferred to the NCSC for implementation. Similarly, other sectors such as the PWD, the solo parents, and so on, have asked also for a similar implementing arm, which would basically disband all of DSWD and its different functions.
or not really disband or require 3 to 4 times the manpower now.
There we go. Yes,
because,
for each sector.
Yes, if for each sector ang ating approach. So, kaya siguro na we don't have to spend really too much time on the budget of the NCSC kasi 76.5 naman ito, 4 million for their sweldo, MOE. May capital outlay ba doon sa 76.5?
Walang capital outlay sa taon nito, pero palagay ko meron parating request for IT equipment and vehicles considering their constituency of very fragile seniors.
Sige. Pero during the opening statement of our sponsor, may nabanggit kayong parang older persons something? They're also executing now a certain project?
That's correct. The assistance to older persons has been transferred. 3.3 million from DSWD.
So piling-pili lang mabibigyan? 3.3 million? Yes, DSWD transferred 3.3 million to the NCSE for implementation to be given away. Ilang piling-pili lang po 'yan?
Is it the I think this constitute the celebration for the elderly week the support for anti-poverty programs and together with NAPSI so that they can meet. But there's no actual subsidy or stipend.
It's an activity. It's
mga
an
activities
for an
lang
activity.
for senior
Okay,
citizens. Mga
tama, ganun.
EPSCAP, mga
Sige po.
OSCA, ganun.
Sige po, they should lead in the celebration of activities for senior citizens. Tama. Okay, so mabuti po ngayon. We are discussing their budget at 6:30 p.m. Last year yata, we discussed their budget at 2 a.m. yata, around 2 a.m. So
Thanks to the sufferance of the minority leader.
No. And yes, and may mga magigiting naman tayong mga leaders po ng NCSC na nandito. And the head is still former Mayor Franklin Quijano, I think, of Iligan. So,
yes, that's right.
Do you have a term, sir? Term? How many years po yan?
Until September 2025.
Okay. Siguro
2020. So it's a 5-year term.
Yes, so siguro they can participate in the discussion of Her Honor's bill.
Yes.
Siguro if they want to defend the current setup, then they should submit their position paper, defend their current. Basta ang reasoning lang po namin dun is if you are to implement it, you need to now replicate the manpower infrastructure, the human infrastructure of the DSWD kasi aminado naman tayo, may senior citizen din sa barangay na sa bundok, may senior citizen sa city center.
Tama.
So if we need a different structure to implement to bring them the cash assistance, nagdodoble-doble po tayo. I think that's parang reality na lang po yun na malaki na po masyadong gastos ng ating gobyerno.
Tama po.
And so we wish the National Commission of Senior Citizens all the best. And good health to all. Kasi
yes, most importantly, yes po.
To qualify as a commissioner, kailangan bang nasa senior citizen na? Okay, so if the sponsor is satisfied with the explanation, happy na rin po ako.
Thank you very much, Minority Leader.
Okay, nasagot na po yung tanong ninyo.
Medyo natanong pero tutukan pa rin natin at bantayan sa mga susunod na buwan na gamitin ang pera ng bansa ng tapat at maayos.
So we thank the 5 agencies, Mr. President. We wish them all the best. Thank you for your patience. Sorry, ginabi kayo. But I'm sure the senior citizens happy sila na hindi sila inumaga. And thank you, Madam Sponsor, for also your patience and your for very direct-to-the-point answers, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Minority Leader, Mr. President. And we promise on behalf of the CCC that Senator Villar will be provided with the list as required, as well as the other information at the soonest possible opportunity to the minority. Thank you very much.
Thank you, our Minority Leader. Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President. Before I make the proper motion, Mr. President, may I just put into the records again and join the distinguished sponsor as an Ilocana that we are not happy with that report that was given to us, despite the fact that the 89 delegates did not come from CCC alone. It's still a big delegation, Mr. President. I don't think it's in the mandate of CCC to promote international travels. Also, Mr. President, I will no longer ask any questions, but we will look into these figures given to us by NCSC, that 40, Mr. President, out of 206, only 40 filled permanent positions out of 206. Mr. President, that's 19%.
I think that's improved since that data was provided.
Well, hopefully, and I will look into it by next year, Mr. President, because they have 49, if I'm not mistaken, 49 contract of service job order status, Mr. President. In the entire country, 1 of every 10 authorized positions is still unfilled, Mr. President. While you talk about 642,000 job orders, contract of service. While here in the Senate, we are pushing to end ENDO, but the government has 642,000 JOs and contract of service. But despite of that, Mr. President, we have 1 at least out of 10 authorized positions still unfilled. And hopefully, ito hong 19% na filled lang ng NCSC ay talagang mag-improve dahil titignan din po natin ito. Just to put that on record, Mr. President. Mr. President, there being no other reservation for interpellation, I move that we close the period of interpellations and debate and consider the budget of the following departments and agencies. The Credit Information Corporation, Cooperative Development Authority, Climate Change Commission, National Commission of Senior Citizens, and Philippine Competition Commission to be deemed submitted for the body's consideration. I so move, Mr. President.
There is a motion by the Majority Leader to close the period of interpellation and consider submitted the budget of the following agencies: Credit Information Corporation, Cooperative Development Authority, Climate Change Commission, National Commission of Senior Citizens, and Philippine Competition Commission.